Shell bearings are mostly used in engine crankshafts. They are also used in other applications, but the same basic principles apply when replacing these types of bearings. Removal of shell bearings begins by loosening the cap screws and removing the bearing cap. Each shell has a locking lip, which prevents the turning of a shell when in position. Slide the shell round by hand until the lip is clear of the cap and then remove it. In most applications, it is normal to remove the supported component once all the caps have been taken off, as in the case of this engine's crankshaft, after which the upper shells can be removed. It is important to note that the caps must be refitted onto the same journal that they were removed from, and that they are marked or numbered to facilitate correct matching upon assembly. After the break, you will learn about replacing procedures for shell-type bearings.